morning, everyone. We are off to, where are we off to?
Tor.
We have to Tor. We have to see some Tor, which is, oh, you can't see now. In the bush, behind the bush. So this is Dartmoor National Park, which is well known for its ponies. There are free roaming ponies in this park, and there's a lot of them everywhere. Ponies, sheep, foxes, and other animals. Let's go.
Let's go.
Kilometer number 4. Almost there. How are you feeling?
Amazing. Great day. Super. Yeah.
You think he's curious?
Yeah. So cool.
Aha.
No, no. Nie, one są wszystkie bykami chyba. One mają jaja.
Are they? Are you cow? Are you a bull? What are you? Let's go. Aha. You're gonna be alright. That's it. What's this name? This place name? Something Tor.
Easdon Tor.
Easdon. Around 5 kilometers. Apparently the view is meant to be nice. What's the say of the... I don't know what that means. But these are nice. Very nice. And now we're gonna have a quick lunch and we're gonna go back to the way where we come from, and we're gonna go to Becky Falls, which is about 7 kilometers away, 8 kilometers maybe?
Yeah, something like that. 1 hour 70 minutes walk.
1 hour 17 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, we need chocolate. We need chocolate for we need chocolate for sure then. Let's go. Come on, they're not bulls. They're a cow.
Let's go find another way. You see, I can go that way.
That's true.
Akcja.
They're just playing around.
It's action. Look, they're gonna fight each other.
They're just playing around. Buongiorno. Kilometer number 9.5. Almost approaching car, but first we're gonna go to that tor over there at the top. I was talking about those ponies. They are Dartmoor ponies. There's loads of them in here. They are wild, but they're very friendly. Most of them, at least. We're gonna go up there in a minute. But first, let's say hello to those ponies. I think you want to move. Okay. I think they're gonna hunt you. They actually made quite a lot of movies in Dartmoor. One of my favorite is the Hound of Baskervilles, The Hounds of Baskervilles, which is quite an old movie. I remember it, I watched it back when I was in Poland. It's yeah, one of my favorite movies. There's also a prison in Dartmoor, in Princeton, that is quite popular as well. Someone escaped from it.
Split 9.
Thank you. Should we climb this bad boy?
Of course. This is easy one.
This is the easy one. Let's do it then.
From the behind?
Yeah, let's do it from behind.
Yeah.
Crazy?
This way. Yeah, I think so.
Alright, see you at the top, I guess. Gonna have to follow her. Let's do it.
Wydaje się, że jak się ukryjemy, to możemy stąd drona puścić.
Okay. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Let's do it slowly. Let's do it slowly from behind.
What? Slowly from behind.
Let's do it slowly because it's from behind. We climb from behind. Let's do it slowly.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Do it slowly. I think we're at the top.
You have to go there.
Of course. Where?
Look behind you. We have to climb there.
Where about?
Over there.
Where the people are.
Yeah, of course.
But I think they climb with the rope.
No, I don't think so. They're climbing with the rope. The other one's not.
Okay.
I think we can make it. Very easily.
Very easily, that's what she said.
We're gonna be fine.
Yeah, we're gonna be fine. That's what she said. Well done.
Well done.
Alright, let's go to the big one now. Let's go to the big boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Już lecę. Damianka najpierw czeka.
So we're going back to the car. Before we were over there in those hills.
We think so.
We think so. We've done about 12 kilometers, which is just over 8 miles, I believe. I think so.
It was amazing.
It was really good. Really lovely place. Too many people, but nice. So Becky Falls now. I don't know if we're gonna manage
We will.
to go there because it's
We will definitely.
4 o'clock. Don't know what time we shut in. It's still lovely weather. You see, we should have gone kayaking.
You see? There's no sharks.
Change of plans. Becky's Falls were shut, so we off to the other place. Where are we going to, Joanna?
Some other stuff. To do some other stuff.
Are you open?
Wait.
What are we looking for?
Birds?
Okay, come on, Bertie. Let's go. Let's go. Where are we going? Which way? This way? That way?
Come on.
I'm coming.
There's no time.
No time to waste. We are here in East Dartmoor Woodlands and Heath and don't know what that is. Fields Museum. Oh, okay, I think that's it. This way we're gonna go. We got an hour and a half to explore this place because they shut the gates in a minute. Well, at 6 o'clock, and it's 4:30. What's up? dead end.
Little mushrooms.
Are they edible?
I don't know, we can try.
Every mushrooms are edible. Some of them once, some of them twice. So we almost at the car now. How was it, Jana?
Amazing. It was so good.
Yeah,
Very nice walk.
it was a lovely walk. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now we're gonna go back to my village. Thank you. And we're gonna have some food. I think I'm gonna have fish and chips. What are you gonna have?
Oh, maybe some meaty burger.
Meaty burger. That's good. I definitely want fish and chips. I haven't had fish and chips for a long time.
Me too, but I would prefer probably something
Healthier.
kind of ish healthier with red meat.
Okay. Alright, so I'll see you next week, I believe. And stay tuned and subscribe and like the video if you like it. Just to see more videos upcoming. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Done it. Done it.
That's not bad at all.
No. I need to go 5 kilometers back.
Nie mam takiego wtedy, muszę zrobić. On mnie chce zjeść.